Okay, welcome to Excel number 5. This one requires you to act as though you are the tech person for the 25th annual Fort Canyon Valley Run. What you're going to be doing is you're going to be setting up 3 separate spreadsheets or 3 separate worksheets within a workbook, within an Excel workbook. I have an example that I'm going to show you here in a little bit, but basically what you're going to be doing is setting up these different spreadsheets, and they're going to keep track of different items in terms of the race. This one's just going to be a general information. This one right here is going to keep track of a survey that is handed out, and this final one is going to keep track of the yearly results from each of the past 25 years or 24 years that the race has happened. Do not be intimidated by the size of this. A lot of it is just simply information that you need to use or you need to input. So for example, here's how your worksheet should appear. And I'm going to show you an Excel example, like I said, that's going to give you an even better idea, but this is the general format and how it should be set up. And so as we go down here, and you're probably not going to be worrying about this today in class because you're going to have to first be setting up your individual tables, and once you have those set up can you go back through and start entering your data in. And in fact, what I'm going to ask you to do, since I'm not going to be here today, is just set up your tables, and once you get that done, all 3 of those done, do not continue. Do not worry about entering all this information in. Okay, so there you go. That's what you're supposed to do with that. Nothing for today. Pay special attention to this, what the headings need to be.
Attention staff, we're having staticky technology difficulties with the speakers. We're trying to fix it. And if someone from technology could come to the high school office. Thank you.
There you go. Sorry for the interruption. But anyways, if you keep track of these different projects, they're going to help you with these are going to be your column headings right here. Sorry again.
Mrs. Steele, please call the office.
Column headings. Now you don't have to write this all out. When you see my example, you'll get a better idea of what you should put for the column heading, and then more column headings. Your row headings, remember those ones that are going to go up and down, that's going to be the racer names. You can find all those racer names right here. Okay, so you're just going to type all those in as well. And then here's your column names for the third one. Now, in terms of the actual example itself, let's take a look at it. Here it is right here. Notice that I have, and yours, this might be a little bit confusing for now, but notice I have lots of different tabs. Pay no attention to the charts right now. We're going to worry about that probably on Wednesday. Okay. For now, you only need to be paying attention to these tabs right here. Okay, that I have. So for example, check out Project 1. Okay, it's got a overall heading, as you can see, the 25th annual Fort Canyon Valley Run. Now your instructions don't tell you to do that, but I recommend that you do that. Okay, see, I have that in there as well, and then Project 3, I have that in there as well. Okay, in addition to that, I have a main title, Project 1, Project 2, Project 3. And I also have a subtitle, Racers Info, that further describes the individual worksheet and the data that we're tracking for the particular table, okay, yearly race results. Now, what you're going to be doing basically is setting these up, okay, get the racer's name in, and then of course the column headings as well. And then don't worry, like I said, about filling in the data right here. Once you get this stuff set up, save it and be done for the day. Now, you need to make sure you need to do each of the 3 tables. Make sure you set those up. Make sure they're set up on new tabs. If you don't know how to add a new tab, ask somebody, okay? But each table has to be on a different tab, okay? And as I said before, do not worry about the charts that you see in my example right now. We will get to that probably tomorrow or on Wednesday, okay? So this is how they need to look. I'm going to run through them again. Okay, it doesn't have to be the exact auto formatting, but make sure that you auto format. Remember, just the column headings, row headings, in the data area. Do not auto format the titles. Okay, you can put in your colors and your fonts and stuff like that, whatever you choose, but that is separate. All right, and make sure you merge and center it as well. As you can see, I have cells here that are merged and centered. Okay. Let's see here. Anything else that I want to add? It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward day. Lots of instructions here, okay? But they don't tell you step by step what to do. It basically says, here's some information, make something of it, okay? So read through this stuff. Read this intro. You will be working individually. You will not be working with partners on this. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Please, if you have a question, you can shoot me a message on Edmodo. I got a sick kid, so I'll be heading home here shortly, so I obviously won't be here. That's why I'm doing this. So hopefully this helps you out. A couple reminders in terms of the class. We will be having a test in here on Friday. I know, the day before spring break. Review day will be on Thursday. I'll be posting a review sheet on Edmodo probably tomorrow or Wednesday. I don't have it squared away yet to throw on there. So once I get that, I will throw that up there for you. Like I said, any questions, shoot me an email, throw it on Edmodo. I will try and help you there. It's pretty straightforward. I can try and clarify tomorrow as well when I get there. Pay no attention on this example. I got some stuff in here that I haven't deleted. Yours eventually will start to look like that, but for today, just column headings, row headings, auto formatting, merge and center in your titles. 3 tabs, and you will be good to go. Okay? Have a great day. We'll see you tomorrow.